How to remove message button on Facebook. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all go ahead and open up your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you're gonna make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Now once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. From here, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are here, scroll below and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now once you tap onto it, simply tap on Settings again. Now once you are inside Settings and Privacy, scroll below and then you'll find an option that says How people find and contact you under Audience and Visibility. Simply tap onto it. Now from here, you're gonna make sure that Allow people to message your page is toggled off. And with that way, you're gonna be able to remove message button on Facebook. And that is it for today's video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.